After his week-long aid and relief tour of Mindanao provinces hit hard by El Nino, the president headed to familiar and familial solid North Country to unveil a first-of-its-kind agriculture infrastructure that could well be a game-changer in the country's quest for food security. Our Alan Francisco on the president spearheading the launch of a solar-run irrigation system that spells greater yield in corn and rice production for Isabela province and food security down the line for the country.
Ang formal na pagpasinaya ng Kabaruan Solar-Powered Pump Irrigation Project na ito ang kasunod na yugto sa istorya ng progreso ng Isabela. At hindi lamang ng Isabela, kung hindi sa buong Amyana.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself led the inauguration of the country's first and largest solar-powered pump irrigation project earlier today. This project is expected to help address the challenges of high energy cost and divert water supply to farmlands.
Kung dati-rati ay gumagamit tayo ng mga makinang pinapatakbo ng langis upang dumalaw ang tubig mula sa irrigation canal patungo sa inyong mga taniman, ngayon ay pinagagana na nito na gamit ang kuryente na galing sa araw. Libre na kuryente na galing sa araw. Kaya't maaari natin ibigay ang libre na patubig.
The project consists of a pumping station with over 1,000 solar panels, capable of generating a total wattage output of over 700,000 watts. This means the project has the capability to provide irrigation to more than 300 hectares of farmland in Isabela.
Ito ay palalakihin pa natin. Kapag kaya't kailangan kalambingan natin ang speaker para pagka magkapondo ulit. Pag nagkapondo ulit, ano ito? 350 hectares. Gagawin natin 700 hectares. Dodoblehin natin ito. Para lahat nito dito sa baba ay magkaroon na ng patubig. At kahit na umabot na makarating na naman ang El Nino, bumalik ang magtagtuyot, ay meron din tayong maasahan ng water supply, hindi lamang para sa irrigation, kung hindi pati na para sa water supply ng ating mga consumer. Dahil pagka hindi kailangan lahat ng tubig dito,
more than 200 rice farmers will benefit from this project.
Maraming salamat po kasi binigyan mo po kami ng solar. Pangkabuhayan po namin ito. Thank you very much po.
Eventually, this will contribute to food sufficiency in the country. This project is managed by the National Irrigation Administration and has a total budget of over 65 million pesos.
Pag naipatuloy natin itong ating mga project, baka bumalik na naman ang Isabela sa number 1.
Over 150 solar-powered pump irrigation projects are being constructed nationwide. Meanwhile, President Marcos also called on the National Irrigation Administration to promote the modernization of the Magat Dam. The Magat Dam was built during the tenure of his father, former President Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr.
Kaya sadya pong hindi nagkamali ang aking ama na si Pangulong Marcos Sr. na ipinatayo ang Magat Dam na magsisilbing susi sa pag-uunlad ng agrikultura dito sa Isabela at buong Cagayan Valley.
From Quirino, Isabela, Alan Francisco, from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.